You 8 amazing inventions of 2019 that you can easily buy online. But before we start, please make sure you press that red subscribe button as well as the tiny bell icon. Number 8. Revolutionary, stylish, and cool Gyrer e-bike C2. E-bike concept is familiar to the entire world, but Gyrer is different from usual. Gyrer's new e-bike is more than just a normal scooter. Due to its unique lightweighted design, folding and unfolding is much easier. Just unscrew, fold, and here the work is done. It's quite easy, isn't it? Gyrer comes with the 30 sets of the 186050 mAh lithium battery unit that powers up the bike to go at 25 kilometers per hour. The bright LED power display notifies you when your bike is running out of juice. Number 7. Meet AI, world's first AI mirror for home. Following your voice command, AI displays everyday schedule as well as numerous other stuff that you can expect from a smart mirror. Get connected with your peers since AI is equipped with smart calling feature. Are you excited to know more about AI? Just look at this. AI works like a personal assistant. Its speech reorganization software allows you to control day-to-day tasks. You know what? You can also connect your frequent apps with this smart home buddy. And the most amazing thing is, you surely gonna love this. The splendid combination of anti-print glass, HD display, and 1080 HD camera makes AI a perfect assistant for your home. Discover a new digital world being at home with AI's built-in augmented reality app. Number 6. Cricut Easy Press 2. Do you want to give your outfit cool, trendy, and funny look? Just relax. With advanced heat plate design and ceramic coated surface, Cricut Press is ready to rock your world. With its adjustable heat feature, you can set the temperature according to the fabric you use. Working with Cricut is too easy than you think. The most advantages of this pressing machine is, it takes 1 minute or less than 60 seconds to get job done. Now decorate your home interior and other material with Cricut Easy Press. Number 5. Bijwa, a card-sized mini projector that is focus-free and app-free. We are all engaged with our smartphones, so seriously that we have no alternative. But the problem is that the small camera screen sometimes creates trouble, as well as makes you feel uncomfortable. If you are one of the guys, it's time for you to get rid of this with Bougie. Bougie is the smallest projection device that is specially designed to be adjusted in your small pockets. Of course, even in your tight jeans pocket. This projector is not only small, but also lighter than you think. Surprisingly, it's lighter than your iPhone. So, now maybe you have a question. How to use it, or do I need any external setup? Well friends, you no need any external setup or any app. It's as simple as plug and play. Bougie can expand the screen up to 100 inches, so enjoy the broader view with Bougie. Unlike other projectors, Bougie never needs any assistance to create the right angle. It can project the screen 14 degrees upward. With its laser beam scanning technology, you get crystal clear view. If we talk about sound, this Smarty features built-in speakers that let you adjust volume using the 2 buttons. No matter if you are a couch potato or a bed potato, now you can enjoy your favorite movies and series in bed with holding up your phone. 4. Cleaning the bed sheets and cushion covers is not that enough. Every night you sleep with innumerable microbacteria. To deal with this,
wish you could get a mortgage do-over? This time, get the right advice for the right mortgage. CIBC. Talk to us today.
situation, the bright minds invented RockUbot. This first antibacterial robot is equipped with 24 sensors that terminate 99.99% bacteria, germs, and mites, and make you dream sweet and healthy. With smart mapping and navigation intelligence, RockUbot itself finds the proper way. Just turn it on and place it on your bed, and the small bot will manage everything. No matter if the surface is plain or bulky, RockUbot knows how to deal with it. Even it can work with cliff, slopes, or any other stuff. The object detection sensors mark and avoid any wall come around, so don't worry about crashing. And to turn on the manual mode, simply pick it up and cover with a handle. The cover is integrated with the magnetic system, so you can use RockUbot easily to clean any surface. Pillowcases, toilet seats, light switches, bathroom features, toys, cell phones, keyboards, TV remotes, and more. Additionally, its built-in speaker lets you enjoy the music anywhere. If we pay attention to the size, it's quite small to carry in a usual bag. When RockUbot is off duty, you can charge your mobile device with or without a cord. Wherever you go, this pocket-sized buddy will always be ready to fight with the germs. Bring your RockUbot today. Number 3. Plevo B1 and D1, world's first smart bag pack to make your journey more convenient. It looks cool, stylish, and comfortable for your daily life. Hassle-free opening lets you put in and pick out any stuff easily. Now it's time to forget using those traditional locks. Your face is the digital key to unlock the bag. Also, stay charged with Plevo's removable battery. Just pick it up and plug into your device. It's that easy. With Plevo Assistant app, you can instantly track your belongings from anywhere at any time. Now, say goodbye to these traditional bags. Number 2. Omni Ultimate. This ultimate power source is enhanced with the world's best charging technology. With its adjustable DC output and high-powered USB-C port, you can recharge most of your devices. With the capacity of 34,800 mAh and high wattage input, you can fully recharge Omni within just 3 hours of time. Are you a digital artist, a freelancer, or an inventor? Omni can manage and power up all your devices. It is safe, durable, and ready to deal with any situation. And above all, it comes with exclusive adjustable voltage controller. So now, set the output as per your requirement. Whether you are a professional or passionate about creating a new world with your skills, Omni is all set to be your companion. While you are at work, the equipment needs to stand with you all the time. Here, running out of power can interrupt the work cycle. But say thanks to the first interchangeable battery system. Just change the battery and resume the process. Most of us are always worried about battery life when we plan an adventure, but with Omni, you can plan any trip or outdoor adventure. Your devices will always be ready to take an action. The Omni Ultimate is the result of extensive research and development in power conversion technology. One. Every morning you are on the go, and obviously, you leave the door open to the entire world. Meet Roost. It is the world's smallest as well as smartest door sensor that keeps eye on your garage door on behalf of you. It automatically sends you a notification when you left the door open unknowingly. The easy installation process requires no time. Just place it on your garage door, connect it with your home Wi-Fi setup, download the Roost app, and the job is done. The one of the amazing feature that you surely gonna love is you can customize Roost to send you notifications just when you want them. The smart Roost knows what the urgency is. Just like an obedient assistant, Roost is at duty 24/7. With 2 years of lifespan, Roost will automatically let you know when you need to change the battery. So don't worry now, Roost is on duty. I hope you enjoyed the video and find the gadget you like the most. Guys, there are more tech videos on the way with cool and amazing gadgets.